You want to be able to proof your album designs, wall art, and cards online, but you also want to create a pretty beautiful landing page for your clients. Let me show you how to do that. First, we're going to create a new proof. We're going to name that proof. And then we can edit this splash page however we would like to. So let's put in a title. You can add your studio logo. And then each of these previews, you can choose what you want to display. So I'm going to page through these album pages and choose the page I would like to display right here. Additionally, I can choose which wall art preview I want to display and which card I want to display. Now that you've created this landing page, all you need to do is click the upload button, and this landing page, along with your proofs, will upload to the new Fundy Designer Proofer. If you're a Fundy Designer V10 user, be sure to try out the brand new Design Proofer, and if you haven't become a user yet, be sure to go to fundy.com and download the trial.